The first step to getting your Arduino Uno working on the Retroball circuit board is to get the 40-pin male header and snap it off in each of the 4 different sections within the Arduino Uno. Just be a bit careful when you're doing this that you don't snap them off too short. Once all 4 sections have been done, plug it in and we'll flip it over to do some soldering. Now if you go back to the first soldering video, you'll get an idea of how to actually solder this thing in. Now you need to make sure that the 18F46K22 PIC microcontroller is removed if you're going to use the Arduino, because they're going to try and fight each other on the data bus. Plug the display back in and we're ready to plug in the USB. You'll need 2 USB connections. The first one, as you see here, is to power up the unit with a 2 amp power supply. The next one goes to the laptop or computer that you're using so that we can actually program it. Now I'll be using Arduino Create, which is a fantastic online Arduino IDE. Once Arduino Create is loaded, check to make sure that it recognizes your Arduino Uno has been connected. Once it has, open up a new tab and go to www.bradsprojects.com. Click on the Retroball link and scroll all the way down the bottom just before the comment section to get to the downloads. Click on the Retroball Arduino libraries and examples, and this zip file you'll import directly into Arduino Create by clicking the import button. Navigate to where you just downloaded that zip file and then we can import it. Now the great thing about this is Arduino Create is going to look in that zip file and automatically extract the sketches, or the example sketches in this case, and the libraries. These libraries have been made possible by Adafruit. So if you want more information, check out their website for the RGB graphics libraries. Click on any one of these examples, the Retroball examples, and click the Upload and Save button, which is the right facing arrow. This is going to compile and then send the code to the Arduino on the Retroball unit. Once it successfully uploads, in this case you'll get some flashing boxes on the screen. We can click on another one, for example the Retroball Adafruit graphics. This is directly from the Adafruit example. It just says Adafruit 32x32 RGB. So again, the library was made by them. I've just been able to import it into mine to make it work directly. Now this last example I'll show you, Solid Rainbow Lines, allows you to modify the speed of it by the bottom left potentiometer. So you rotate it one way, it speeds up, and you rotate it the other way, and it slows down. Alright, so that's it for the examples. If you want any more information about the graphics libraries and the RGB matrix library, I suggest you go to the adafruit.com website and just do a search there and you'll get some more information about those libraries, including some helpful information about the commands that you can actually use.